Let's begin. Not suddenly, not dramatically, just gently. Because this drawing didn't start with pressure. It started with a single line that didn't know where it was going yet. And that's okay. If you're watching this right now, you don't need to do anything special. You don't need to understand the pattern. You don't need to analyze it. You don't even need to focus perfectly. Just let your eyes follow the movement. This spiral grows the same way most thoughts do. Slowly at first. Almost politely. At the center, everything feels manageable. The lines are close together. The shapes are small. This is the part where confidence lives. This is where you think, yes, I've got this. This will be simple. This will be relaxing. That thought usually lasts about 10 seconds. Then the spiral expands. More space appears. More decisions are required. And that's when the brain starts getting involved. Should this curve be wider? Why does this section look slightly different? Did I already do this pattern, or am I repeating myself? Let me tell you something important. Repeating yourself in art is not a mistake. It's a rhythm. Look closely at this drawing. Every shape looks similar, but no two are exactly the same. Just like days. Just like moods. Just like us. The color flowing through this piece feels warm. Not loud. Not demanding. It's the kind of warmth that doesn't rush you. The kind that says, you're allowed to take your time. And that's rare. Most things in life want speed. Results. Answers. This drawing wants none of that. It just keeps turning. The dark outline around each shape holds everything together. Quietly. Reliably. It doesn't try to be impressive. It just shows up. Honestly, that might be the most impressive thing of all. As the spiral grows outward, the pattern begins to feel almost hypnotic. Your eyes move in circles, and your thoughts start slowing down. That's not an accident. Repetition has a strange effect on the mind. It tells your brain, you're safe right now. No sudden changes. No surprises. Just flow. This is why people find Zentangle calming, even when they don't know why. The mind likes predictability. But it also likes gentle variation. This drawing gives you both. Every curve follows a rule. Every rule bends slightly. That balance is what makes it interesting. At some point while drawing this, I stopped planning. Not because I didn't care, but because caring too much gets in the way. There's a moment in every drawing where thinking becomes noise. And instinct takes over. That's when the best lines happen. Not perfect lines. Honest ones. If you look closely, you might notice small imperfections. Lines that aren't perfectly even. Curves that lean a little too far. Those are not flaws. Those are proof that a human was here. Machines can draw perfect spirals. They do it all the time. But they don't hesitate before a line. They don't breathe before a curve. Humans do. And that hesitation lives inside the drawing. This spiral isn't just moving outward. It's carrying every tiny decision along with it. Every moment of doubt. Every moment of trust. That's why it feels alive. If you're feeling restless right now, that's okay. Restlessness doesn't mean you're failing to relax. It just means your mind is adjusting. Stay with it. Let the spiral do the work. There's no finish line here. No moment where something suddenly happens. Just continuous movement. And that's comforting. Because life rarely gives us clear endings either. We move from one curve to the next, hoping they connect. Most of the time, they do. Notice how the shapes overlap without competing. Each one makes room for the next. No fighting for space. No need to be bigger. Just coexistence. That's something we forget a lot. The world tells us to stand out, to be louder, to be more noticeable. This drawing does the opposite. It blends. It flows. It repeats. And somehow, that makes it stronger. As the spiral continues, something interesting happens. You stop checking where you are. Time becomes flexible. Minutes stretch. Thoughts loosen. This is the quiet middle of the drawing. Not the exciting beginning. Not the satisfying end. The middle. The part most people rush through. But this is where everything actually happens. Each curve now feels familiar, yet still slightly unpredictable. Your eyes know what's coming, but not exactly how it will arrive. That's a good place to be. Life rarely gives us certainty, but it often gives us direction. This spiral understands that. It doesn't demand precision. It asks for consistency. Just keep going. One shape after another, the pattern builds patience. And patience is not silence. Patience is movement without urgency. Notice how the green areas feel almost like breathing. In and out. Light and dark taking turns. That rhythm isn't planned. It emerges. Just like calm does. You don't force calm. You allow it. At some point during this drawing, I stopped worrying about symmetry. Because symmetry is a suggestion, not a rule. Perfect balance is overrated. Real balance adjusts. One side leans a little. The other responds. That's not chaos. That's conversation. The dark outline continues doing its quiet work, holding everything in place without complaining. It doesn't need praise. It doesn't need attention. It just keeps supporting the whole structure. As the spiral widens, there's more space between the curves. And space is important. Without space, everything feels crowded. Space is where the eyes rest, where the mind pauses. This drawing knows when to leave things empty. That takes confidence. If you've ever felt guilty for slowing down, this is your permission to stop doing that. This moment doesn't need productivity. It doesn't need improvement. It just needs presence. The longer you watch, the more the spiral starts feeling less like an object and more like a process. Something unfolding. Not trying to impress you. Not asking for approval. Just existing. That's why it feels safe. There's no pressure to react. No expectation. You can just observe. And observation is underrated. Somewhere between the beginning and the end, there's a moment when the spiral stops feeling new. Not boring. Just familiar. This is the part where the hand knows what to do before the mind finishes thinking. And that's a good place to be. The pattern has settled into itself now. The curves repeat with confidence. No second guessing. No hesitation. Just movement. This is where people often underestimate progress. Because nothing dramatic is happening, but everything is being built. Each line here depends on the one before it. Quiet cooperation. No curve is trying to stand out. No section is asking for attention. They're all doing their job. That's not dull. That's disciplined calm. The green continues flowing through the design, still warm, still gentle. But now it feels deeper. Less like excitement, more like comfort. The kind of comfort that doesn't need words. As the spiral grows, your eyes no longer chase it. They follow it. That shift matters. Chasing creates tension. Following creates ease. And ease is where creativity lives. Mistakes stop feeling threatening because you trust yourself to handle them. A line goes slightly off? No problem. The next curve will balance it. That trust doesn't come from perfection. It comes from experience. The spiral continues outward, still connected, still steady. You can sense that it's moving towards something. Not an ending, but a settling. And now, the spiral has traveled far from where it began. The center feels distant, but it's still there. Every curve still remembers it. There's a sense of quiet confidence now. Not excitement. Not achievement. Just steadiness. The lines no longer hesitate. They simply continue. Ending too early is just another form of rushing. So it keeps going. Not because it has to prove anything, but because there's still space to explore. Completion is a feeling, not a moment. You can feel whole without being done. The green feels softer now. Like late afternoon light. The dark outlines remain steady, still holding everything together. Quiet support is often invisible. But without it, everything falls apart. If you've stayed with this video until now, you've probably noticed your breathing is slower. Your thoughts are softer. That matters. The spiral doesn't demand meaning, but it offers it anyway. Progress doesn't need to be loud. Repetition doesn't mean stagnation. Moving in circles can still move you forward. The spiral doesn't judge itself. It doesn't compare. It just is. As the drawing reaches its outer curves, there's no big finale. Just a pause. And pauses are powerful. They give you space before the next thing begins. So take this calm with you. You don't need to hold on to it tightly. Just remember you can return to it. Anytime. One line. One curve. One slow breath. That's enough.